everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Jen, and today I'll be doing a nail video. I was inspired by a water lotus charm that I had received from Temu, and I hope you guys like this nail set. I personally think it came out pretty good in the end, but it did have its trials and tribulations while I was working on it. To begin, I'll be placing some builder gel in a soft gel nail tip. This is how I've been liking doing my nails recently. I'll kind of just put it in the soft gel nail tip and use it like a dual form. And then I'll just have a very thin base to begin with. I prefer building up my own nails rather than keeping a soft gel nail tip. I don't know why, but they seem to not like me very much. I've never had soft gel nails last longer than like a week on me, and I'm not sure if it's something I'm doing wrong or maybe my nail beds just don't like it, but I'm just not very good at it, so I like doing this method. It's kind of like a in-between for me. So now that I've taken off the soft gel tips, what I have left is a very thin extension. They are literally as thin as glass. They could break at any second. So I will just be taking my builder gel and using that to beef it up, give it a little bit more strength. And after I've done this to all 5 nails, I will put it in my curing lamp for 60 seconds. So now that that's done, I'm just going in with some more builder gel, and I'll just be building up my apex and the strength in my nails. And I do just want to go ahead and say this is actually the 4th time that I had to do this base. I don't know what it was, but when it came to these nails, for whatever reason, I just absolutely could not do it. And you know what? I just wanted to say it just because it happens sometimes. You go to set out, do something that you've done 1,000 times before, and all of a sudden you can't do it. And so I did it 3 times in one night. I ended up taking a break, coming back the next morning, and I was able to do it, which I'm very happy about. I did just want to say that though, just in case like anybody is just starting out doing nails, you do get better at it. And even if you are better at it, sometimes it doesn't always go according to plan. And that's okay. You just kind of have to go with the flow sometimes. It is what it is. Anyway, enough of my chatter. I'll let you guys get back to the video. Now I'm just wiping off the dispersion layer with a lint-free wipe, and I'll go into filing. I go in with my 180 grit file. I tend to use this on builder gel. I feel that it works really nicely. I don't think you need any lower of a grit than this. It might just be a little bit too harsh for the builder gel, but it's up to your own opinion. That's just mine. So here you'll see me, I'll go in, shape it. I'm going for an almond shape. And then I am buffing it, making it nice and smooth. And I'll just be doing this for all 5 nails, and I'll come back once that's done. I finally finished my filing, yay! And now I'll be taking a thicker bristle brush with some alcohol on it and just dusting off everything that could be on or underneath my nails. And now I'll be moving on to top coat. I'm going to top coat the underside of my nails. This is important for the design I want to do. You can actually do this if you tend to get a lot of dust or like dirt underneath your nails. This could help minimize some of that. But basically what I'm doing with this top coat, after I did a layer, I cured it. Now I'm taking just some little dollops and I'm placing them underneath my nail. So I have my hand upside down, as you can see, and I'll just be placing little dollops, kind of spreading them out as I want. And the goal is for them to look like raindrops. Right now I am just flash curing my nail, and then I'll go in again with some more. I just finished the dewdrops and now I'll be going in with some base coat really quick. This is just going over top of my nails, and it's mainly just to help the following ombre that I'll be doing. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what it is about ombres. I have so much trouble when it comes to ombre. I did actually, after this video, I purchased some makeup sponges and I was practicing this morning, and it is so much easier to do it with a makeup sponge. I did have the gradient brushes and I was trying my very hardest when doing this, but you might be seeing me struggle a bit, and in the end I think it does look nice. It just goes down a little bit farther than I wanted. It kind of covered up some of those dewdrops. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys get back into it and enjoy me attempting to do an ombre. I did actually finish my ombre off camera. Um, I wanted to save you the pain. Guys, it took me like 2 or 3 hours. I'm not even joking. I don't know why I struggle so much with ombre, but hopefully in the future with those makeup sponges, things will go much smoother. Anyway, here you'll see me, I applied a layer of top coat and now I am applying some unicorn powder in a green hue to my nail, and I think that just adds to the watery effect. Also, I am taking a paper towel and wiping off the chrome from the clear part of my finger. This was kind of just like a artistic decision. I ended up really liking how it looked, so I just rolled with it. After the chrome powder is added, I'll just do a quick top coat, and then we're moving on to stone art. Yay! So these are the stones I'll be using for this look, and then I also use some solid glue gel and some regular rhinestone glue to apply these stones. I didn't really have any intense plan in mind other than wanting to use the the lotus charm. And I do think that because I didn't have a plan, it did take me much longer. So if you're someone that's strapped for time, highly recommend having a plan before you go in and doing nails. I think I ended up spending far too much time. Let's be real. It was just far too much time spent on this one finger trying to figure out the placement. And in the end it turned out okay, but it's not entirely the way I had envisioned it. Anyway, I think that's enough talking. I'll let you guys get back to the video. The stone art is now complete, and I'll just be coating everything in a top coat, all the Aurora gems. The only things I didn't top coat were I used two blue rhinestones in the design on the middle finger, so I did leave those alone, but everything else got a top coat. And then I realized that I did not film an outro for this video, probably because I was very tired, and by the time I had finished, it was already dark out. So here is a clip of me with the nails in some natural light. I think they came out really pretty. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.